Hey, everybody. Welcome back to Snack Snacks. I'm John Siwicki, and today we are going to do a little research project live. So a friend had asked me if AI could get him some data, and I said, let's see what we can do. And let's put some things to the test here. Let's see who can get us to these answers the quickest. And some of these things I think actually may not have public facing answers. So we're going to work with a lot of census related data today. So I've got Bard open. We got Perplexity AI open. We've got Poe. And of course, we've got ChatGPT. So we got a couple questions we need to get answered today. So I figured we could start things off, and I'm going to start with Bard. I don't know why, but we need to find what is the average household income in every U.S. state. So while this is running, let's run a couple parallel searches. Let's do the same thing in Perplexity. Okay, so we got a nice list of some states. Let's see. Can you give me all 50 states? Bard. Can you give me all 50 states average household income? All right, let's hop over. Sorry, we're going to be bouncing around today, so I apologize, everybody. All right, so income in every U.S. state. Perplexity is referencing other sites, which is awesome, but I don't want that right now. I want to stay in. And okay, we got it. Look, we got a sheet. Let's export this guy. All right, open sheets. All right, we have got data to work with, everybody. This is exciting. Okay, so we got every state. Let's prep our sheet here. Average household income. So we got that to start off with. Thank you, Bard. So now the next question is let's see. We want to know how many people own a home in every state. So let's see. Let's stick with Bard. Bard gave us some sweet stuff. Some good answers first. All right. So how many people own not their own home? That's not the way to put it. See, because how many people in each state are homeowners? That might not be the right phrasing. I don't think there is a census this year. Some of these look kind of right. Some of them don't look right. All right, so we hit this Google it button to verify everything. Yep, that's probably wrong. Okay, so let's just take it. I know. Okay. Let's try. Actually, let's look. We don't like the answer. That's why we got everything else up. How many people are homeowners West states? Can you put this in a table for me? Okay, so homeownership rate was 65% in the US. Cool. Okay. Not a great answer. Let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, so it's going to tell us how to do it. Cool. I don't want that. So let's go for how many people put in a table for me? How many people are homeowners in each of the 50 U.S. states from the newest data that you have? So, because I know the last sentence. Oh God. Okay. Okay, I see. This is cool. So I like the concept here, but It definitely soured me about basically telling me this is probably not real. All right, let's go back to Bard. Break down it. What percentage? All right. What's this? What does this do? Ruby home. Luxury real estate. I don't know. Can we trust this? All right, let's try. Okay. How many homeowners? All right. How about how many houses? Houses? Houses in condos? No, I don't know. There's other ways of living. How many non-apartment buildings? 'Cause we don't want apartment buildings. How many non-apartment buildings are there in each U.S. state? It's not gonna get this right at all. I have no faith. It's a weird phrasing of the question. We got information? I really didn't think it was going to. Okay, basically it's telling me that it made that up. Okay. I think my prompt's not right. All right, let's go to our prompt perfect plugin. So perfect. How many people in each US state? All right, let's do single family houses, right? So how many single family houses are there in each US state? So what we can do is if we want different, we are striking out here. Let's go for a wild card pick if everybody's down for it. Let's go do a little open source. Let's check out our friend's llama. I know what. It's okay if it's not real time. Okay. How many single family are in each US state from the last census? Yeah. A decent includes data on housing units, including single family homes. Okay, so let's take this. All right, that's pretty good. Let's add a new tab. Single family homes. Single family home. Now I'm gonna assume this is not 100% correct, but I think for what I need to be, I don't need to be that accurate. Okay, so we now need to figure out stuff about, okay, see if we can actually figure out like facts about a house. So how many houses have driveway in Connecticut? All right, so there's no data set for houses that have driveways. That makes sense. But in a 2020 report by the National Home Builders Association, 87% of new single-family homes built in 2019 had a driveway. And so while I was trying to do some math, it makes sense that they wouldn't have this data in here. So let's actually go back to Lava and say, what types of information can we get about single family houses from Census data? Homeownership rates, housing costs, housing size and composition, housing tenure. Okay. So maybe I was thinking about the wrong stuff here. Let's go back. Go back to our, yeah, so maybe it's about, oh, typo. Okay, so this is very similar to Llama's response. Property taxes, home sales, vacancy rate, utility costs, energy usage. Okay. All right, this is pretty good. There's a lot of things we can get into here. Let's say, show me each state energy usage. This is why you gotta have really good prompts, everyone. This will show you. Yeah, like don't give me the hypothetical layout. Yeah. Average EQ house single-family homes using census data. Using census. Spelling census wrong. Census data. Break down. I can't even talk. Sorry. I wanted to break down. Okay, it's going back to the hypothetical again. So it is a good way to get a synopsis of this. Well, let's go back to our census data. Let's give Perplexity a shot. Where's my question? All right. See if we can get a good prompt here. Using census data, can you break down the average utility costs associated with a single family home by each? Okay, so the census has an article here. This might be all we need. Owner occupied housing units with a mortgage, 37%. Owner occupied housing units without a mortgage, sorry. With a mortgage, housing units with no second mortgage and no home equity loan. Wow. Okay, so it's there. Nice. So you see in local data. Okay. Let's get data. Okay. Can we break it down a little bit? Oh, the census data does it have a way for us to query? Can we query the data side of this? We got filters. All right. Wow. This is CLACS. Wow. Population over 60 years old. It's a lot of information in here. I feel like this would be awesome to query. And yeah. Again, for a research project here. But, well, it looks like really the move is to search inside of here. So we did get some data from our AI friends, and it was interesting to see. So to kind of recap, we kind of used Bard to get some of our income data, and then Llama came through. What did Llama give us? I can't even remember. I'm sorry, everyone. So Llama gave us the number of family homes, single family homes. And it turns out it's hard to find like really different facts about a house. So like certain types of things weren't really queryable inside an AI, but we did stumble upon our data set here and you can export all this stuff. This is great. So thanks everybody taking a little research journey with us, seeing kind of how we can kind of utilize all these tools in different facets, and sometimes it's helpful to bounce around between a bunch of different things. But thanks for joining our stream today, and we'll see everybody next time.